Hi guys, welcome to this new Python YouTube channel and also welcome to this Python series. My name is Abdul Wahid and this is episode 11. If you ever Google which programming language should I learn first, you probably come across Python mentioned everywhere somehow. But why? Why not Java? Why not C++ or why not JavaScript or any other language? That is exactly what we are going to answer today, and by the end of this video you will know not just what Python is but why it is smartest choice for beginners. Also for me, I choose Python for as a beginner to learn coding. So also I think for you guys this will be the good choice to choose this language. So first of all, what is Python? Python is simply a programming language. A programming language is simply a way to give instruction to a computer. Think of it like this: your computer is incredibly powerful, we know, but it is also incredibly dumb. At the same time, it only does what you tell it to do. Computer only do what we tell them to do. Programming is how you tell it. So now let's move on to the setting up your environment. Let's see, but before we dive into Python itself, let's your computer get ready. You need two things. First is Python and another is VS Code. What are these? We will explain you later. Don't worry, but both are completely free and less than it will take it less than 5 minutes to. I hope so. You have downloaded the both application VS Code and Python. So now we need to create a file. How can we do it? This is the interface of VS Code. Now, so go here, file, and new file. Here you can see Python file. Now you have created the Python file. Now how can we save it? Just do the Ctrl S shortcut or file. Here you can see the save option. Go so Ctrl S. Now we can need to save it and title one. Just leave it guys. So now we created the file and save it in our desired location, whatever the location we want to save it. So now where it is saved C. Here you can see the location of the file where it is uh, in the C folder, OneDrive, then desktop, then there is a file. Now the file has been created and saved. Now I will try to print my name on the screen. How can we do that in Python? Just type p, just type print both all print in small letters, then inside the double brackets, then inside double underscore. Here you can let's say I want to show my name on the screen. So there is a function called print, and then it takes argument. Let's say Abdul Wahid. Now I written the code which will print the name of my on the screen. How can we run it? So just go here and run the Python file. Okay, so when you run it, so you can see here it is now you have created your file and saved it and run it. You can see that your name will print out, or anything that you will put in the print statement that will be printed out. So here you can see now remember, you will get an error if you type if you didn't get the print in the underscore. You see that here yellow line, these shows that something is not right. Python is not recognize this alphas, this letter. So it should be print in every word must be in small letters. So inside this you can type anything and just run it. It will be shown on the computer. So it is very easy compared to other programming languages. I think they need Python needs just one line to print this, to print anything on the screen. Other programming needs, I think, maybe 4 or 5 lines. Java or any other language you can see. So okay, so Python was created by Dutch programmer named Guido van Rossum. Let me show you his face. If you shall search it here, Guido van Rossum, this guy. So you have seen this. So there are hundred of programming languages out there, and and why you need to choose Python. Reason one is it is easy to read. It's like a English. It's like almost English that you are reading. You have seen the example that print this something, print this or that. You just need to put your characters in the print statement, and the Python automatically print it for you. So it's like reading in English, something like that. We will see in the upcoming videos. Now also Python is a very versatile language. It's used almost every industry like web development, data science, AI, machine learning, automation, cyber security, game development. Okay, so now let's move on to the next topic, which is comment. Comment is let me write here. Let's say I want to explain this line of code what I've written here. This line I want to explain that, so I can comment it that this is my name. So to explain some code, we can comment it. It can it is it To explain some code, we can write comment on it. It usually started by hashtag. So when you run it, there will be when you run it, Python will ignore these comments and will not do damage on your code. So they will not be in the code. They will not be running. Okay. So this way you can run it comment, and also by this you can run it comment 3 underscore, or this is my name. Also you can double this is my name. When you now run it, nothing will be happen. Okay, so this is comment, and we have created our first file. In this we have learned what is comment, how to use it, and we have just learned how to print something on here. If you just write print in the wrong way, you see that there is a yellow lines appears. That means something is wrong, because we have write the P in the big words, not the capital, in not the small words. So we need to write it in the small words P. But let's see what will happen if we print it. Now there will be issue which says name error, which is name print is not defined. Yes, did you mean print mean with lower P? So yeah, we need to change it P, small p, and run it again. So this function print is like this: print, then double underscore, double bracket, sorry, and double quotes. Okay, inside double quotes you can write anything, and Python will show it to you. If you want to print this line, you can, if you print this line and sorry, comment this line, also comment this line, and run it, Python will only show this line. Why? Because we have commented all these lines, and when Python when we use hashtag in front of anything, that will be symbolized as a comment, and Python will ignore these lines even though it is a written code. Even though in this comment there is a code, but Python will not run it because we have commented this line. Okay, so when you run it, you see only this line have run, only this line has been running. So now let me give you the tour of this VS Code and VS Code interface. Here on the left hand side you can see you can create any folder or open any folder. Let me open it. Open any folder. This is in pretty folder, so we are going to open it. So now we open any folder from the desktop or anywhere. Now how to create here file? Yes, you can see you can create new file here and also a folder inside the folder. So if I can create it, Now if I just simply click on here, it will not create a Python file, it will just create a text file. Okay, so in order to create a Python file inside the folder, you need to click it on again F, rename it through F2 key. You can rename the rename this. How can I rename it? Just click on the F2 key on the keyboard and you can rename it, or otherwise you can click on here and just say rename F2. Okay, so this is the file name and .py is the extension. You can see when .py, when I write this, the logo has been appeared. So it says, so the VS Code had detected that this is the Python file. So when you click on it, this now the Python file has been created. So here you can hello world. You can run it again. Okay, the file has been saved. Now we do not need to save it because now we are saving it here. Okay, so the file has been saved and it is showing whatever we write in this print statement. Okay, also you can create any another file. .py is extension. If you do not give this file the to underscore another underscore file, just a name, nothing else, it's just a name of the file. Okay, you can give anything, uh, Python second .py is extension so that the VS Code knows that it's a Python file. Okay, so when you click it, now another file has been created here. Let me zoom out for you. So here you can see the another file has been created. Okay, this is the file where the code is written print L1. This is, now you can close it. Now also you can do this split screen where you have both screen. This is the Python 1 file, one Python, and this is the second Python file. You can print something else, XYZ. Now in order to run this file, you can click on the here to run this file, because we have split the both screen. We have split the both screen, and if we need to run this screen, we need to here go and run it. So XYZ print will be here. Now let's cancel it. Okay, so inside the folder there will be two files. Let's say I want to create another folder inside this folder. So just type here, and this is the new file, the file icon, and this is the folder icon. So now say something. So now the folder has been created. Now let's say if I wanted to create a file inside this, the folder that we have just created, just click on first this, then click on the .py is extension. Now the file has been created. Okay, and you can put it, and then it will be running. Easy. Okay, so this is the how we can open file. If we want, if I need to close this folder, how can I close this folder? Just go here and you can see this close window, also close folder. You can see, also you can see the autosave. uh, you can do the autosave. So if I just close folder, the folder will be closed. And now here you can see this is the terminal where our code will be shows. Okay, and here you can type Python. Now we are in the Python, we are in the terminal Python. Okay, here you can also print Python. It will be automatically print up mostly, and you can kill this terminal by just deleting it. Okay, it will be killed. Now you can again reopen it. So that's it for today, guys. And the next topic will be variable and data types. What are the variables and what are the data types? Important topic. And then we will move on to the next topics like if and else condition, and loops, function, strings, dictionaries, lists, tuples, extra, file handling, and much more. Every topic gets its own dedicated video. And so, thank you.